In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your team in ClickUp. We'll build a focused team management dashboard that brings your tasks, assignees, and progress into one clear view so you can lead confidently and spot what needs attention at a glance. Start inside ClickUp and head to the dashboards area. This is your central hub for reporting and oversight. If you've never used it before, think of dashboards as customizable control panels that pull live data from your work. They're perfect for answering quick questions like what's overdue, who's overloaded, or which projects are slipping. Next, create a new dashboard. This opens the setup flow where you choose how the dashboard is structured. Select the task management option. This template is a great starting point for team leads because it comes pre-configured with widgets designed for day-to-day coordination. Things like task lists by status, assignees, and timelines. You can always fine-tune the layout later, but using this template gets you to insights faster. You'll be prompted to select a location. In ClickUp, location simply means where the dashboard will pull its task data from. Locations can be broad or narrow, ranging from an entire space down to a specific folder or list. For effective team oversight, choose the space that represents your team or department. This keeps the dashboard focused on the people and work you manage rather than pulling in unrelated tasks. After opening the location picker, click the space you want to track. As you make this choice, consider the scope your dashboard should reflect. A single space keeps your metrics clean and relevant. If your team works across multiple spaces, you can expand later. But starting with one makes it easier to validate that your data looks right. Finally, create the dashboard. ClickUp will generate your task management view with the widgets included in the template. Give it a moment to load, then review what appears on screen. You should see tasks grouped by status, assignments, and due dates. Take a quick scan to confirm tasks align with your expectations and that your team's space is indeed the source. From here, you can refine the experience without overhauling the setup. Drag and resize widgets for readability, adjust filters to show only active work, and switch date ranges to see this week versus this month. If you rely on specific statuses or custom fields, tune the filters so your dashboard reflects how your team truly works. And remember, you can revisit the location settings if your team's scope changes. With this dashboard in place, you'll have a reliable, real-time window into your team's workload and progress, helping you prioritize, unblock teammates, and keep projects moving.